Let's go straight into pricing and start with Coconut. Coconut uses a tiered subscription model designed specifically for UK sole traders, and the prices are very clearly displayed with VAT already included. The Essentials plan costs £99.99 per year if billed annually, or £16.99 per month if you choose monthly billing. This entry plan focuses on core bookkeeping, bank feeds, invoicing, and real-time tax tracking. The next tier is Coconut Plus Making Tax Digital. This plan costs £129.99 per year, or £21.99 per month, and it adds quarterly Making Tax Digital updates along with submission of the MTD end-of-year tax return to HMRC. Then there is Coconut Plus Self-Assessment, which is priced at £129.99 per year, and this plan allows you to file your self-assessment directly to HMRC while still keeping all the core bookkeeping features. Finally, Coconut offers the full plan at £159.99 per year, which combines Making Tax Digital submissions and self-assessment filing into one package. Coconut heavily promotes annual billing, showing savings of over £100 compared to paying monthly, and the pricing includes VAT upfront, which makes budgeting far more predictable. Now let's compare that with Nomi's pricing structure, which is very different. Nomi does not use a single bundled subscription. Instead, it offers modular pricing where each service is priced separately and billed monthly or annually depending on the module. Nomi's bookkeeping service costs £15 per month plus VAT, and this includes mobile expense and receipt management, automated bank reconciliation, real-time financial reporting, MTD VAT submissions, and bank feeds. Payroll is priced separately at £10 per month plus VAT, covering HMRC RTI compliance, statutory payments, employee self-service portals, and pension auto-enrolment support. For tax filings, Nomi charges £30 per year plus VAT for final accounts, which includes corporation tax returns and statutory accounts submission to HMRC, and £30 per year plus VAT for self-assessments, which includes MTD readiness, real-time tax calculation, and direct HMRC submission. Because VAT is excluded from the headline pricing, the final cost can increase once tax is added, and the total price depends on how many services you combine. Moving into Coconut's features, the platform is designed to be extremely hands-off and beginner-friendly. Coconut connects to over 30 UK banks and credit cards, automatically pulling in transactions and categorizing income and expenses throughout the year. Everything feeds into a live tax calculation, so users always know how much money to set aside for tax. Invoicing is built in, with unlimited branded invoices and tracking, so you can see who has paid and who hasn't. Coconut works on both mobile and desktop, which is ideal for freelancers who manage finances on the go. Accountant access is included, making it easy to share records at year-end without exporting spreadsheets. One of Coconut's strongest features is that tax support is deeply integrated rather than bolted on, meaning Making Tax Digital and self-assessment are handled inside the same system. Looking at the pros, Coconut stands out for simplicity, clarity, and predictable pricing. VAT inclusive pricing removes confusion, tax tracking is automatic, and the app is clearly designed for non-accountants. It's fast to set up, easy to use, and reduces the risk of missing tax obligations. On the downside, Coconut is limited to sole traders and does not support limited companies. Advanced reporting, payroll, and complex accounting features are not available, and some users may find the feature set too basic as their business grows. Now let's focus fully on Nomi and what it offers beyond pricing. Nomi is positioned more like a flexible accounting platform rather than a single all-in-one app. Its bookkeeping module includes bank feeds, automated bank reconciliation, real-time financial reporting, and mobile expense and receipt management. Transactions sync automatically, reducing manual data entry, while dashboards give a clearer overview of business performance rather than just tax estimates. This makes it easier to monitor cash flow trends, spot irregular spending, and understand profitability at a deeper level. Nomi also supports making tax digital readiness, allowing businesses to stay compliant with HMRC requirements as they grow and transition into more complex reporting needs. One of Nomi's biggest strengths is how it scales alongside a business. Payroll is offered as a separate monthly service, covering HMRCRTI compliance, employee self-service portals, statutory payments, and workplace pension auto-enrollment. For tax filings, Nomi provides both self-assessment submissions and final accounts preparation, depending on whether you're operating as a sole trader or a limited company. This modular structure means users aren't forced to pay for features they don't need up front, but can gradually build a tailored accounting stack over time. Nomi is also more accountant-friendly, with stronger reporting tools, journal entries, and workflows designed for professional oversight rather than purely DIY bookkeeping. The pros of Nomi are flexibility, scalability, and professional depth. Businesses can start with bookkeeping only and later add payroll or tax services as complexity increases. Reporting is stronger than many freelancer-focused apps, and payroll integration makes it suitable for growing teams. It also works well for users who prefer an accounting-first mindset, where financial accuracy and structure matter more than simplified tax estimates. However, the cons are just as important. Pricing can become less predictable once multiple modules are added, especially since VAT is excluded from headline prices. The interface may feel more complex to sole traders who simply want quick invoicing and automatic tax calculations. Nomi also requires more initial setup compared to Coconut, which could slow down users looking for instant simplicity. In terms of ratings, Coconut currently holds an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 on Trustpilot, based on hundreds of user reviews, reflecting strong satisfaction with its simplicity, clarity, and tax-focused design. Nomi has an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 on Capterra, based on a smaller pool of verified reviews, which suggests high user satisfaction but with fewer data points overall. As always, ratings can change over time, so it's worth checking the latest reviews before committing. Final takeaway: if you're a UK sole trader who wants stress-free tax tracking, simple invoicing, and predictable VAT-inclusive pricing, Coconut is the cleaner and more intuitive choice. If you want modular flexibility, deeper accounting tools, payroll options, and room to scale into a more complex business structure, Nomi offers stronger long-term control. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest software breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that actually fits how you run your business day to day.